In this video, I'll show you how to transfer photos from your Android phone to Google Drive. So go ahead and open up your photo that you want to send. In this case, I'm going to use a picture of a pint of Guinness. Why not? So once you've got your photo, press on the send button at the bottom left and you'll get different options how you can share the image. You need to scroll along until you see Drive. Once that loads, click the blue upload button in the top right corner. You'll then get a notification in the top left from Google Drive to say that the picture has been sent. And just to check that it has been sent, if you come out of your photos, open up the Google Drive app, click on the three lines in the top left, click on Uploads, and the most recent image, if you click on that, it'll be the picture that you've just sent over. And that's how you transfer photos from an Android phone to Google Drive.